In front of me is MOTOROLA Razr 30 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Security and Privacy. Now you need to scroll down again. Click on Privacy and finally access Permission Manager. Over here, tap on one of your device's features that you wish to manage, like location. Then tap on one of your apps. I will go with Calendar and apply the best option for you by clicking on it. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to go with allow only while using, so when I click and go back, I can see that Calendar just gained access to my device's location if I'm using this app. But you can always pick any feature and look for an app that you wish to manage. I will go into Microphone to manage my messages. Now, instead of picking one of those options, click on See All Messages Permissions and manage all of them only for a chosen app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!